Welcome to this video. If you're trying to uninstall Microsoft Launcher from your Android device but can't find the uninstall option, you're in the right place. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to remove it safely and completely. Let's begin and solve this problem together. Open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Then tap on App List to see all installed applications. Now scroll through the list or use the search bar to find Microsoft Launcher. Tap on Microsoft Launcher to open its App Info page. Next, tap on Open by default. Then tap Clear Defaults to remove Launcher assignment. Go back to the App Info screen. Now you will see the Uninstall button enabled. Tap Uninstall, then confirm the action to remove Microsoft Launcher from your device. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you uninstall Microsoft Launcher easily. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any questions.